Nice one, guys. So basically, I'm back in the kitchen with another one, and this is going to be an amazing recipe for you. As I say, it's very good drink for the kidney, and I know you guys, for the kidney and the liver, it's very good for you guys to just drink it. It makes a difference, and also with the fiber and everything. Now I'm going to be showing you, I'm already prep up some of my ingredients right over here. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to show you exactly what I'm going to do and show you exactly how to make it. Now, to be honest, I'm using roughly about half of a beetroot right here. I'm gonna already prep the beetroot because of the redness of the beetroot. I'm already prep it and get it ready for you guys. That's, you guys can see exactly what I'm doing right here. Now, to be honest with you, even say I'm using the knife to take up the beetroot because of the redness of the beetroot. But don't get me wrong, nothing wrong with the redness of the beetroot, but sometimes it just takes so long to get off a finger. Now I'm gonna be using roughly about half a cucumber, and I'm cutting up the cucumber to put straight inside of the blender like this. And this is a very easy recipe. Also, we got a nice lovely fresh piece of a ginger which we're gonna also use. So I'm gonna cut up the ginger and put it also inside of it. Now I got a medium-sized green apple I'm gonna use also inside of it. And all I'm gonna do is cut up the green apple. But I remove the skin from the cucumber and the apple and the beetroot and the carrot, all right? That is lovely. See that? Now we're gonna get a medium-sized carrot and also put inside of it. Now, carrot is very, very good for you guys, honestly. Lovely and beautiful. So right here so far, we got all of the ingredients then, what you are looking for. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna squeeze a little bit of a lemon juice inside of it. Roughly about a teaspoon of lemon juice, all right, inside of it. But so far, to be honest with you guys, I have some good sea moss which I made earlier, and I'm using the sea moss inside of it because the sea moss is also very good to use inside of it. All right, get some extra iron in your body. All right, we're gonna put a nice lovely roughly about a tablespoon of the sea moss gel inside of it. Now, if you missed the video is on my YouTube channel. You still can go over and watch it, all right? Watch it on my YouTube channel and learn to make the beautiful sea moss right there, all right? Now, I'm gonna simply show you. I'm gonna give you some of the information in the description box. That's the first thing. So we're gonna simply go ahead, get it blend up and all these things. So we're gonna put some water inside of it. So we're not gonna be using too much water. We're gonna use roughly about a cup of water inside of it, all right? Roughly about a cup of spring water. That's what's gonna make the difference. Beautiful recipe, guys. And I know you guys definitely gonna love this. Now, what we're gonna do next is go ahead and make some noise. Now, before I blend, to be honest with you, it's gonna be a little bit of a noise. Let's get this right here. All right, and I'm gonna get this blender right over here. So let's make some noise. All right, so I never turn it on. Lovely. So I just blend it, and And that's the way it look at the moment. Okay, beautiful. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna simple pour it out and make you guys can see how it look. All right, trust me, it's amazing. The flavor and the texture is so beautiful, and I will encourage you guys to give this a try at home. 100%, trust me, you guys will definitely love this one, because you know, sometimes it's just amazing to just do something totally different at home. And I'm gonna tell you this is one of them which I would encourage you try and make at home. All right, so really good, and anything red is very good for the body, very good for the kidney and for the liver also. Here it is. Wow, and that is amazing. That's exactly what I'm talking about. Now take a good look at that, guys. If that's not, is amazing. The flavor, the texture, everything on it is so beautiful. I want to encourage you to give this a try at home. Leave your comments in the description box. Please tell a friend, and a friend tell a friend. We've got a lot more recipes and a lot more ideas.